Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Google Pixel 3a mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. At first, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then the LCD screen removal from the front. To remove the LCD, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the screen and then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Lift the screen gradually and disconnect the connector plug by undoing two screws and removing the metal shield. There is an adhesive strip on top of the connector. It is missing from this device. If you have the sticky, peel it off and place it while connecting the LCD screen. Next, take out the midframe plate by undoing 14 screws, and then by using a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker move around the phone to release the midframe's clips. Next, lift the midframe by the bottom and rise to 45 degrees and release the proximity sensor, and then take out the frame. Next, on the body, disconnect the battery connector, right 4 sensor flex connector and both ends on the main flex cable. Next, take out the main flex and disconnect the left 4 sensor plug in the board. Next, move sensor plug aside and take out the broken battery by peeling adhesives. There are 2 adhesive tabs on this phone for the battery, top left and bottom right. Gently peel the adhesives by holding the phone. Be careful, you might end up with damaging 4 sensor flex cables. Once the battery adhesives have come out, use a pry tool and gently lift the battery and slowly take it out. Next, take out the broken battery and replace the new battery on the body with adhesives. Next, place the mainboard flex and connect it by both ends. And then connect left and right 4 sensor plugs and the battery. Next, connect the proximity sensor and place the midframe by adding 14 screws. Here we take out the frame's proximity sensor and then connect to the logic board. When placing the midframe, gently pick the sensor through the opening and put it in the frame. We are doing this to eliminate the difficulty of clicking the sensor plug into the board while installing the frame. And also insert the SIM tray. Next, place the LCD screen on the body and then connect the LCD plug and add the shield by inserting 2 screws and also the tape which we don't have but you may have. Before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD screen adhesives. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the LCD screen with the body. Leave it for some time and remove it. On the other hand, you can use rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks.